Hare Masa Sun Ramakrishna is visiting national part of the land. So here one person told that like this basically things are connected. So here one person asked the question basically. The question is basically the land basically which is generating the the natural item basically that is connected to the thinking basically. So one person told that yeah that basically is very dangerous thinking basically. So one person told that that means the zoology department basically are generating the thinking basically ideas basically. So one person told that yes basically the ad is also basically given एक idea जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया. I don't know who basically that was some I think some SIM company basically SIM registration company basically they have basically given this idea basically. The idea basically was एक idea जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया. So these ideas basically are generated where basically that is from the land basically. That is from the land and that is basically the 1 lakh natural item and this 1 lakh natural item basically is created from that buildings basically. So here basically we have taken one example of Mumbai city. In Mumbai basically 15 lakh building basically created. There are more than 1 crore building basically. 15 lakh building basically are created specially for generating the oil data basically. And that oil data basically is connected with some thinking. So one person told that yes basically. So like this also basically things are basically there. So one person told that so the oil is basically generating which level of thinking basically. So he told that basically the oil is generated basically from which all countries land basically. So he told that basically 120 countries basically. So in next video.